What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Money Color Chris, and I'm back with another video. First off, I want to start by saying I appreciate all the love and support y'all been giving me. Y'all been commenting, giving me positive feedback on the car, and I think I'm around 6 subscribers away from 100 subscribers, so we're growing. And I just really want to thank y'all for subscribing and tuning in to my videos. And yeah, if y'all clicked on this video, y'all already know what it's about. So let's get right into it. All right. There it is, y'all. The new project. It's that 81 Caprice 2-door. The project can need a little work on it. Show y'all the work that is gonna need to be done to it. Got it kind of junky in here right now. Got all this stuff sitting on top of it. But right here you see it got a little bit of rust from right there when the molding, from right there where the molding be at. I'ma probably sand all that down, take it to the metal, cut it out, and fiberglass that. And it's like that on the other side too. I'll walk over there and show y'all that. See it right there. And right there too. It's a little dusty right now. I started sanding on this quarter panel right here. This quarter panel gonna need a lot of work. They had a lot of bondo on it, and it's rusted a little bit right there. I had sanded it all the way down to bare metal, and I just sprayed a coat of primer on it. I'm probably just gonna, where it's rusted at, I'm gonna take that back down to the metal and then fill it in. The car's not in bad shape. Right, interior right there. Took this quarter glass out. Need to take that other one out over there. So I'm gonna strip this car all the way down. I'm taking all the interior out. The floor pan's gonna need to be done too. Floor pan's got rust in them. Let me see if I can get down here and show y'all the bottom. Drive shaft hanging up. You can see right there, rusted. And the same thing on the other side. Got a dent right here too. I'm gonna pull that dent out. Got a dent right here on the door. It's a solid car, man. These cars are hard to find. I got a good deal on it. I feel like I got a good deal on it. So this door right here, I got another passenger door that don't have all these dents in it, so I'm probably just gonna swap that out and put that one on here. I'm gonna show y'all that door. Well, it's covered up now in here. There go the other door right there. And I do got a dent right here where the molding go. I'm gonna pull that out. I do have all the trim pieces and everything too. There go the hood right there. Have all the pieces over here on the other side of the Monte Carlo. I know y'all ready to see that car on the track. Have all the trim pieces and the bumper. It already got a motor in it. Got a 350 with a turbo 350 transmission. MSD box already on it. I just gotta clean that wiring up and put another carburetor on it. And that carburetor's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. That windshield gonna need to be replaced. Windshield cracked right there. I'm gonna replace this fender too. They took a fender off a CAPRICE wagon, and it had dents right there. I don't know why they would put that on there, but I'm gonna get a brand new fender and I'm gonna just put that on there because the other fender is good. So yeah, man, I just wanted to bring this video to y'all, try to keep this content flowing. I'm gonna keep y'all, when I go through the whole car, I'm gonna take y'all step by step with me about what I do to it and everything. I'm gonna be learning as well. I'm not a bodywork guy, but I wanna teach myself, and I'm gonna kinda maybe even teach y'all a little bit as well. And maybe y'all could comment and give me some teaching skills. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. Or give me some tips about how to go about something. All right, here on this rear clip too, it's crap. Probably gonna fiberglass that. Yeah, man, I just wanted to bring y'all, show y'all the new project. Give y'all another car. Give y'all another car to tune into. I know y'all love that one. Y'all gonna really love this one when it get finished. Yeah, that's the end of this video though. I just wanted to bring y'all, show y'all what the new project was gonna be. And alright, I'll catch y'all on the next video.